Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Now the product I did use for this is the Makeup Revolution in the shade dark brown, and it's just a pomade. And the brush that I always use to do my brows is the e.l.f. Double Duo. It just looks like this and it has the spoolie on the bottom. So the first thing I do is I just brush my brows to my liking. So now I just grab some product onto the brush, and I know it seems like a lot, but I simply just flatten the sides out so the tip of the brush can be a lot sharper. Now whenever I fill in my brows, I start on the bottom, making a line from the middle to the end, just to have a guide of where to start. And with the excess product, I simply just blend it out. And for the top of my brows, I simply just do the same thing. I follow my natural lining, and with whatever is left on my brows, I simply fill in the middle section where I need it the most. Now to clean up my brows, I am just going to be using my Maybelline concealer. Now some people like to use different things. Some people like to put foundations on top of their brows. It's simply whatever you guys prefer. This is just the way how I like to do it. And the brush that I am going to be using to clean up my brows is the Morphe M421. Now grabbing whatever pointed concealer brush that I have, I'm just going to blend out the concealer. And now to set my brows in place, I'm going to be using the Essence Lash and Brow Mascara. And this is the end result, guys. Thank you so much for watching this brow tutorial. Like always, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Leave comments down below of what you guys want to see next. Everything that I did use will be linked in the description box below. Like always, I do post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So until then, see you in the next video. Bye guys.